This is what started all of this. This sillcock here, the pipe burst in this section there. This was clearly a custom piece made by the plumber who soldered in this brass pipe and then this connection here. But as you can see, this unit right here, the threads broke off inside the copper pipe that ultimately led to the PEX supply line. This meant that I needed to stop and put in a new shut-off valve and connection right here, because this one was obviously no good anymore. The old one, the broken one, has, and instead we'll do a PEX connection here, so hopefully I don't have any more issues in the future. This is the part of wall I had to cut out because this connection right here was actually floating. It wasn't screwed down. Fortunately, there was no shutoff valve with this, and before, this copper section connected directly to this PEX with no shutoff in the vicinity. So I had to shut off water to the entire house and then install this shutoff valve here. This will probably be more than enough. Just a second.